everyone, this is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video, and today what I want to go over is Passive Profits, new postcard program opportunity. We close the sales for you. No more selling and telling, trying to convince family and friends, no more trying to pitch people. None of that needs to actually happen with this program, and I want to just show you and share the results that we're getting with the people who have recently joined the opportunity. People are calling in every day from the postcards that we're sending out. And what I want to do is go over to our Facebook group because there's a lot of momentum and a lot of people that are putting up their results and what's going on. And I just want to show you guys that. So for those that don't know, Passive Profits is a program that was created by Ontarian Hawkins, who is very familiar with postcard programs. Okay, he started his journey back in 2015 with postcard opportunities and was able to make a ton of money using direct mail. Okay. What he did was he created this program because there was a lot of things that was missing in these programs. There was a lot of reasons why people weren't earning consistently with these programs. And what he wanted to do was make sure that he can maximize the earning potentials that newbies can get when they join this opportunity. And he hit it on the nail. Not only are the leads excellent, the postcards are beautiful, and people are calling in every day with the leads getting sales. We just actually had a lady that received a payout yesterday from someone that came in at the $1,000 level. So she received a $500 commission. And here she is, Christina Waller. She really doesn't have a lot of experience. She's pretty new to this. This was her first commission. She made $500 using this opportunity, okay, sending out the postcards. And she was extremely excited. She's only been in a program for a short period of time. I want to say 2 to 3 weeks. We've been going only for about a little bit over 4 weeks. And here she is collecting a $500 payment. Now, how would that feel to collect a $500 commission by sending out postcards? I mean, it's extremely powerful, extremely powerful. And not only that, you're going to be able to do this over and over and over again. By making a one-time payment, you'll be able to collect these payouts consistently on an ongoing basis just by paying it one time. Okay. So when you join the opportunity, you will get access to this paid Facebook group. Okay, this is for paid members only. So all the people that you see here are paid members. This is Wisdom showing that she's about to send out some postcards. Put your stamps on it, your peel and stick label. It's going to already come with your return address on it so that anything that comes back, the company is going to replace stamp, postcard, and lead. Okay, so they're letting you know that they're giving you top quality leads because they're going to replace everything if you get anything back. Here, Ontarian did a video yesterday. Here we have somebody who's showing a picture of their postcard that they received in the mail. People shouting out new people who have joined the opportunity. All of our trainings is here. He did a postcard training 101, which goes over a lot of information about how postcard marketing works, how many you want to send out, how quickly you want to send out, when is the best time to send them out. And not only that, we have training every single Thursday just to show you guys new ways to expose your business. Because listen, nobody wants to be sitting around waiting for the next mailing. There's things that you need to do in between time that's going to keep building up your commissions, your payouts, okay? So you want to do things other than send out mailings. In between not sending out mailings, what are you actually doing to grow your business? This is your business, okay? You're paying to have your own business, so you're going to have to do some things in between time. And that's just a part of the game. You don't want to just sit back and rely on just postcards. We have drop cards. You can do yard signs. There's so many different things that you can do to promote your business. If you stick with 2 to 3 different traffic generation strategies, it's going to build up and allow you to maximize your business. And that's what you want. You don't want to sit and just do one thing and then just be waiting around for just the postcards to do the work. Now, you can do that. For people who are sending out 5,000, 10,000 postcards, they're building that momentum quicker. But why not add another method if you can do so, okay? Especially if it's inexpensive and it's something that you can do from home. So this is this is a digital postcard that we have available, okay? You can request this information and get one of these from me. Price for it is extremely low, and we're gonna show people where to use this and how to use it. And I've been using it and it's doing very well, okay? So here, Lisa, she just left the post office. She dropped off some postcards. Here we have Carl, who has his postcard up and then a little commercial about how the postcard works. So we have a ton of different ways to promote this opportunity. And this is like a little cartoon character. You can pick the cartoon character that you want and have this created for you, okay? And here we have people, again, inviting other people to the opportunity, and a lot of people that are just saying how much they made, what they received so far, how they received their packet in the mail. We're supporting each other on YouTube. We did have a YouTube training, so everybody is putting up their YouTube channel and their information here for their YouTube. Here we have Steven. It's finally here, 5K everything. So he got his stamps, his postcards, and his leads from the company. So this is basically what you want to do, is you want to stay consistent. Then we have Sonia, who made a $250 payment. You receive 50% of everything that comes in. And Banks got an electronic payment of $50. That means somebody came in at the $100 level. And it keeps going. Here's somebody else with their little cartoon character that explains about the program. And that's what it looks like. And we just keep going. There's a ton of people. Here's another person that have their card with their commercial here that you're going to be able to get when you join the opportunity. Here's another person that came in at the $4,000 level and joined the opportunity, and it keeps going. People are getting their postcards in the mail. They're getting their digital postcards. They're getting their cartoon characters, everything that they need in order to be successful. We will be having a meeting this Tuesday at 5:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The information will be in the description below. You don't want to miss the webinar. The webinar is where there's testimonials. The owner comes on and explains about how the program works, how to get started, what to expect when you join the opportunity. He's very transparent, and he's here to help you to be successful. That's why he created this program. So with the trainings, with the webinars, with the information that you get from the company, the bonuses that you receive, there's no way to fail. All you have to do is take the time to actually get started. The 1-800 number will be listed below in the description areas where you can call in and speak to a closer to actually start earning with this opportunity. If you want more information from me, you want to reach out to me, I am also available. That information will be in the description below. So thanks so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you're not yet subscribed. My name is Amanda Wray, coming to you live, direct mail. We're not going anywhere. I've been doing it since 2016, earning a full-time income. If I can do it, anybody can do it. I have 2 children. I used to work a full-time job. I put aside the time to start a business and treat it like a business. And if you do the same, you can have the success that you're looking for. You can start earning $250, $500 a week, $1,000 a week. You can go on to having $1,000 days if that's what you're looking to do, but you have to get started. So thanks for viewing this video. Hit the subscribe button if you're not yet subscribed, and I'll be back to you with another video another day. Thanks so much, guys. Stay blessed.